Hi everybody, I am Mohamed from Smart DigiWeb. I am happy to be with you in this video. Before to start, please subscribe to get any update. Hi, in this video I will show you how to upgrade your personal Pinterest account to a business account. The advantage of this approach is that you can keep the pins that you have already posted on Pinterest and benefit from features only available on the business account, such as stats and advertising. Well, to do that, when you are logged into your personal account, click here on the top right to expand these menus. Then click on Setting. Next, click here on Account Setting. Then if you scroll down, you will find this action which will allow you to convert your personal account into business. So just click here on Get Started. Here you have a comparison between the features available on the personal and the business account. You can notice that the business account will allow you to enjoy more features such as analytics, ads manager, audience insights, default landing page, which is very interesting. So just click on Switch to Business. Congratulations, your personal account is now upgraded to a business account. You can also modify the name of your account by using a business name instead of a personal name. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon in another video. Goodbye.